Well, I've had quite a week. The Joneses next door treated the family to artificial grass from Prestige Lawns. My mate Bertie is their dog, and we used to call him Dirty Bertie. But now he doesn't get dirty or muddy anymore because they have a perfect lawn, rain or shine, all year round. Look at that lush green artificial grass while I'm plodding through mud and messing up my mum's kitchen floor. Dirty Bertie is now called Flirty Bertie. He's having a Valentine's dinner tonight with Penelope the Pomeranian. Pah! All right for some. So if you love your dog, keep up with the Joneses and get in touch with Prestige Lawns now. Right, I suppose I'd better provide the entertainment then. And just over there, Penelope and Bertie, they're almost 5. In doggy years, that's 30. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Thank you very much.